My face and Maria hide something from you. No man no propose to the woman a yard and then doorway as that.
B, me not hide nothing from you.
Mario, what you hiding? You hide something from me.
Why you short part for me? Whitney, you know, say style man do. How are you? Look like you're trained for and get this alright, you know?
Move out of my face.
How will you tell if you move on to your face?
From you see the face and you hear the voice, you don't know it's a girl Tia. And we're here with Alia.
So guys, I want to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, grandmother, anybody.
And the movie here called
Secret Enemies.
Secret Enemies, guys.
Be careful of friend, guys. Be careful.
Yeah. And in the meantime, guys, I want to go over my channel Life with Tia. But subscribe, guys. I have a whole heap of things planned for you guys. So just subscribe, like, share out the video them. Alright, I'm out. Big up, Maggy, bye. I'll see you later.
Maggy.
We say enjoy.
Yes, B, what you mean, man? Nice porridge, cook good.
Then no must know me cooking. Me call a girl, yeah. Cause she not make me late. Girl, how you there?
I almost reach your gate.
Oh, alright. Me I come out now.
for real. Come on, I want to late this morning. Like.
Yeah, alright. Alright, B, me I go work, you know. So what time you go work?
Boy, what time?
Almost 7:30, you know.
Go and get ready for work, cause I have one brand new house on the road for go string up, you know.
Oh, yeah, go.
So, wait, you here?
You look nice too.
Yeah, thanks. Me I go, me
Take
leave.
care of yourself, have a great day.
Yeah, you too. Run now?
You mad? I want,
make.
Mama. You see your time hot. Hey, bestie. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, where's it?
You know, say it makes sense to walk on the road and go around this to go take taxi, cause
No,
son.
Whitney, bad too bad. Me call you, you could tell me say for wait then me gate. You know, see your son hot, Mama.
So that me I try to say, but come on, go so, come on. Stop being son, you're just strong so. Tamara, you never started this morning.
So a taxi there come.
We're going to your bus stop down this so.
No taxi not even come. You know, see you go me late.
Yo, Damien. What are you with? No, say answer me, I bring calling you know, father. I want to take good care right too. Cause I whole heap of money feet to no boy. Yeah, bring calling and deal with my work. Alright, I'm for me too. Alright, now come there.
You try to take away the one thing you could never take from me. Take from me. Swear I'm insane, but baby you're the one who's going off the chain. You scream my name, drowning in champagne when I tried to be the one to save you. Save you, and I thought
Okay. Why? Did it is stressful, but
We make it through. Oh boy.
that's so cool. Cold breeze off, look a bit right so.
Aye.
I'm tired. Hold on there.
Oh yeah, smile so.
Yeah, B. Yeah, me leave work. Me I come man, me and Tamara stand up and go and have a little talk, you know? A cool out and a coconut tree. Yeah, me so come man. Alright, love you. Later here. Later. Alright, B.
One thing you know, Mama. Maria go always call for your phone and check for you, you know.
Me know what's I'm money, you know?
Me know say you man. You always find some good man.
Yeah.
You always find some good man to take care of you.
Yeah.
Yo, all when we go to school, Mama, I remember I used to buy a food at canteen.
Oh yeah, I thought GS.
GS.
Remember them man?
Yeah.
But
GS, do you love her now?
me know. But girl, you know, so them just up there school fling. No, a real deal.
Me-
You love Mario, and Mario love me. One Mario, never two.
That's true, my girl. Cause a good boy,
You know.
I rate him man a good boy. Just make sure you say always the on the right track, you know?
Always, you know, say for me and Mario, me not say we not have we ups and downs, no.
Yeah.
Because if I me and talk, you barely find out what we argue over now. I just saw like something like if this a close up on the ground, the sun in pass you. But them there's something there.
Good man, good
Yeah.
man.
Them there's something there. Relationship problem.
Still.
Tell me about it. Remember how far we are come from the farm, we done your sign now. Tamara, how far we there sign now, we are play Dolly house, you know. Guys, same primary school, same high school, same work.
Same work.
Girl,
Well, we meant to be each other. You know,
it's a friendship
sister.
that last nothing.
Nothing can mash you up.
Right now, if you tell you the truth, you better make the big sister and done.
That's true.
Because right now, not even my family member them in a close with.
Girl, family always let her down, you know.
Yes.
Then say a
Most of
stranger
them.
always look out for you.
Most of them come, I go places and I see some people, although outside I might all find dining and that, but inside now, a different story.
But you know what I think? If you have a girls trip, like go treat yourself and something like.
You know, it's true.
Yeah.
But when we get paid, Friday when we get paid, we do that.
Yeah, for true. But guess what? Come on, come marry up that way for you. Before you gonna get beaten.
You come like your mother, one thing with Mario. Never, you know, put your family, nothing. You rather love me up.
Boy, man.
Yeah. A good you one.
Alright, me reach my destination. You're going like a yard, me there go. You
So
come.
long na if you come over tomorrow, me call you later, say me love you.
Alright, love you too, boo. Bye.
Yeah.
Babe, will you marry me?
I can't believe this.
Sometimes I'm wrong, sometimes I'm
Oh, I love you so much.
Love you too.
I really know nothing about
I make it come, so.
Baby.
Jesus Christ, come here.
you to say. Same every day, feelings and pain. Everyone said that I better do something. You are no good to me, but still.
Every time we have to do with an alias salon, how should they? Mama, you no, me not night this morning. You come around with this big old bright smile. You see time, girl, and if you step up again, me can't afford to lose this job, you know, because of you, you know.
Alright, Tamara, just calm down and listen to me. Me know so late, but we still have only for time. We not lose the work. Guess what?
What?
You see, yesterday evening after me left here and go up, look here. Tamara alone?
How about this here?
Yesterday after me go home, girl, Mario proposed to me.
Please as if it's your hand perfect.
Girl, I say we couldn't believe it.
Oh my God. You want to postpone work today?
We can't do that, girl. You know, so we have to go eat.
Girl, you
After work.
celebrate.
After work. I remember say I soup here there and so our girls should go find some. Come on, go get fire. Work.
Oh my God, I can't believe this. Like, oh, this so me gonna be made of honor. And oh my God, me gonna wipe your face.
You're gonna do everything. No, yes, if you're gonna do everything, man. I remember I pick out cake, I do everything.
Yeah, how again?
I remember we have to have a bachelor party.
Leave the light on for me, but honey, let me down slowly. I've never been a dreamer till I met you. I know I don't deserve it, but honey, I mean it. I've never been a dreamer till I met you.
It was a good day.
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah.
Awesome.
So, Landy, you don't get no tip today?
Oh, me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you know, say, I want a white man give me $20.
Jeez.
So you get tip?
Me not get no tip at all today. No tip.
Oh God, hush.
I'm work so hard.
Guess what? I said tomorrow when me get tip, I go give you because other day I get tip and I give me none.
Come on,
So tomorrow I make you.
You must be a wife now, you know. So it not really matter to me anymore.
You're no wife yet. You're engaged. Take it one step at a time. What do you?
Well, to me a wife. One question more ask you. Why you always walk through people in yard?
And that with your love people business. But like when you love people business, I'm a family yard. So me I go walk through there if me want to walk through there.
But I know people business I love my best friend business.
Which is there later.
Bye. We call you, yeah?
Yeah.
We can know all what happened.
Yeah.
B. What you gonna come home with? What am I gonna do? I hurry up cooking dinner before he come. B. Where reach home now? What you want for dinner? Alright. Yeah, me I gotta do it right now. Me I get on to work. Know yourself, man. Buy you come in and get. Alright, love you. Alright.
Give something.
Come.
I have something I want to talk to you about.
No.
B, for our day, everybody I get married and man know. You can't we get married.
Hey, I don't tell her say. Matter of fact, not tell her you don't know say. Now all that thing and wedding and them type of something. Then take money.
And every wedding take money. Not all of them. We still can get married with we not feel have one big wedding like where you see everybody have. That they would them they wouldn't there on a wedding. We can just get one pastor, one witness. And we just sign the paper. Or we can just go down to RGDB and carry ring them and sign the paper of just one witness. Remember say I love each other, you know. I love do it.
Yeah, me understand what you say, but as me I say, it's so mighty. You understand? Just get little time, man. You think we move to...
How we have moved too fast? A 4 year now since
yes,
we there,
I
no?
understand, but I'm not going to save me. You understand? And me just tell her, say, just hold on a little bit, I'm married to you. You're not for rush, man. You're not for rush, you think you have move so...
No, it seems like tree growing on my face. Because everybody else I get married and me can get married. Oh, ring no fit me.
You never hear me say that?
No, you look like ring no fit me. Can you go tell me if you wait and a 4 year me there for 4? Some people just there 2 year and them I get married. Yeah, tell me say me for wait what for 5 more year?
No, me not.
Or what?
Me not
Wow,
tell us
wait
if
till
we
me.
wait till 5 more years, you know, but and everything is not for everybody, you understand? Not because them out there say I get married at that time, we are gonna follow them.
Oh, so you say wedding no fit me?
Me not say wedding
Oh,
no fit
wife
you.
roll no fit me?
Me never say wife for you will be a good wife, you will be a good wife, you understand? As a matter of fact, me see her as my wife. You understand? Ring her now. Listen no man, me I tell her say, ring her now, ring her still my wife, I don't take her as nothing else. Me not take her as my woman, me not take her as me take her as my wife. So just be here with me now. So
Me not like this. Me want to get married.
listen, sometimes you don't have to try to push the basket where you can go. You have to just make it there and just flow naturally. As me I say, I don't know on that, you know. Just give me some more time. You cannot because
One more time, me figure. And I like say you do spending is me.
I understand what you say, and that me I try. Say to you, me I try to make you understand. So what if me not ready yet? Or what if me not think it?
Wow! Wow! You're not ready yet. So when you have next girl?
We are talking
But
about...
you have be a pan then since you're not ready yet. You have a reason why you're not ready yet.
Listen, you come to my thoughts, you know. You don't think you married the new come to my thoughts. You come to my thoughts all the time and say me I go
if you come
surprise
to-
you.
Oh, you're surprised.
Yeah, look away there. But if you have, just don't push, you understand?
Me tired. Me can't bother.
Tired, you
I want to get married. Me fit wife role.
Yes, Father. We needed to get couple length of pipe and get some handy box them and some 1.5 wire. You know, cause we go need that tomorrow early morning. Yeah, man. You can't check the hardware there. They must have it. Alright, look come on. Honey, sweetheart, babes.
Hey, baby.
What's up?
You say no.
Yes, you too, babe.
You know, say I cook me done cook and lie down and doze way.
That right today, you know, you're always on time.
So you say ready for it now?
Yeah, babe.
Yeah, come sit down.
Ooh. Ooh.
Hey. Well, you good in the kind of hot. We don't want to burn you.
What, babes? So this is super look nice.
Real food for real, man. My real man.
So you can look real good, babe. You know, so you could have run one restaurant. Trust me. I go bust one for you when the money right.
Alright. Enjoy your soup, yeah. When you're ready for your water, you just call me, cause I know you love your water after you drink your soup.
I'll be up.
When you're ready for anything else, just call me, yeah?
Hon,
Hmm?
you know something love you though?
I love you too, honey.
Me and that, yeah, alright, me tell you already say you fit wife for, but wife is not for everybody, husband is not for everybody, marriage is not for everybody.
You see, you say same thing again. That means that you say me not fit for wife role.
It's
At
not,
that you say
you
no.
can't think the wrong
Me
way.
not go
Just
sit down
say to
and just
yourself.
have no argument with you over this because you waste me time. Me don't tell her this so we don't need no big wedding Tivan. We love each other. As a matter of fact, why you don't call me? Like when me gonna work or so you not even call and check on me. Me see other people man call and check on them you know surprise them and this and that. What you there do? You there every day. And then your phone and play a game,
No,
watch
listen.
TV, run up current bill, and not even think about me and then you go say you think about marriage in your head.
You see why me want to get a record, me know say when push come to shove, you go use the back for me and them something there.
No, and
It's
I
not
use
say me
me, I
no.
use the back fire, babe. Understand no
It's
say I
not
too
say me no
want get
want
married.
call you. You understand? If me not have money, if me not have a work, you think me I have credit for call you? Hmm? Sometimes me not have credit for call you, sometimes me frustrated, me there here,
The
me
Wi-Fi
sleep.
there, use Wi-Fi and call me.
Say that's true. That's true. Could I
You
use the
see it?
Wi-Fi?
You don't have no excuse. Any excuse you go come up with right now, Liam.
Alright, me I'll start call you.
You sure?
Yes, me I'll start
I will
call
go
you.
get married too.
Yeah, we are think about it. We'll just think about it, you understand?
You know, I don't have the conversation.
You don't know what might that mean. You might come in one day, my purpose. We might go out, my purpose. You don't know, you have to just keep it cool, you don't know what might happen. So how was work?
Boy, work the earth, but in that dining room there, I pay walk like what left, right, and center. Tired
I
man.
can just imagine. But anyways, by the way, how is your friend? She good?
Me no want hear about no friend right now. Me a talk about for me situation. You bring friend. What kind of friend you bring in this? Something wrong with you, Like me not understand you none all.
Me just
Me a talk about me and you talk about friend. How
no, me
friend
just
come in a
ask you how's your
conversation?
friend to every
What you want to know about my friend for?
Alright, make it stay.
Like
Figure
something
me
wrong
out.
with this man.
Figure me ask about your friend. So just
Thief.
because me tell him I'm ready for
Thief.
hold on. Why every time me ask about your friend, it's like it's a wrong thing, a wrong mistake me ever make.
Yes. Because me a talk about me and you. Anytime me a talk about something, you always bring up friend, other people in our conversation.
Man, that is not the thing. Always, you're gonna never always ask about your friend.
Listen, me not depend on friend thing right now, At that me I tell you. As a matter of fact, me not
So you
see
move
sense
to-
me stay sit
you
down
cook
just-
later?
No. Babe, I left out now,
Where back there?
Tivan, remember say my bag bust out. What happened to your brain?
I'm kind of frustrated, auntie, huh? Obviously with me.
But really and truly, babe, you don't know say a full time for you go look one next work.
You know, yeah, me understand what you mean, man, but you want the application me send in and it's like, I don't know, but I'm gonna get something soon, though, but I don't think I'm able to get no work now. Because I wait for application me send in.
You see upon my work, them a look some groundsman like they want groundsman for come work.
Boy, tomorrow you don't know, say I know my style already.
Me know about
Bet you
looking
this say
much of
water sports manager. There's some manager, but them no work there. You can't live from merchandise or work and go do grounds. I know my type of trade.
But look at you want to be water manager.
Water sports manager.
Water sports manager. You have papers? Eh?
No,
You
but
have sexy? Eh? So you want to be manager?
I can't be grounds. Mama, I don't know nothing about them things. I see more
Then
else
that's
at
why you
my
want
house.
to go on training. If know all what one.
To me feel that current, I not pick up them work. But as me I say, some manager work me with man. You see me deal with that, but I'm thinking you know my. Me so get a work man. Know yourself. All the handbag you say, pop out everything so good. As long as me get a work.
Every day that me hear. Every day since you lost a job.
You me I say no, you have to just believe in me. You see me.
And I say, I not believe in you, babe. But me just tired for all I bills depend me one. Rent, food, everything. Me not complain.
So you not
But
think?
a full time for you get
Yeah,
one
me know.
different
I
work.
understand what you say. So you not think me feel a way too? If you know I say
I don't
everything
know.
depend you. Right now me feel like me no man to tell you the truth. I swear to God because you have to do everything. And me just there. Me just feel like I sound look. Me a man, you know, but some of them look, you know, them look girl when I do nothing.
Oh,
Yeah, sometimes I just feel like I some big dirty girl in that place. You understand what I
you
say?
are one. I'll
What do you mean? Sing a talk to you and take me thing for
You
joke.
can go work.
Alright, just be safe on the road and do it.
So
Yeah?
later, yeah?
Alright. What do you say, man? Everything's so good, alright?
Later, too.
Alright.
I wonder if Whitney will ready.
In the middle of this ghost town, is this the end where everything goes down? Are we gonna push through to find out? Working through all these issues, now every year, all the things we've been through. Are we gonna stick around to find out? We know we've seen this all before, just head for brighter shores. Here right now.
Boy, girl, so me tired right now. Have me thinking. But I think I can't stand at the hotel there for too long now. Probably by next month, me left.
Oh, yeah, go do if you left your work.
Well, Mario always I say want open more restaurant, you know.
So Maria can cook?
No, girl, I know Mario would cook and me would cook. Me tell you the truth, he always a push me and a brag and say he want open more restaurant for me and thing and so.
Oh.
But me know say, through not have the money, he can't open it. So me feel say me a wait, me a spend 1 more month over at hotel and work and save my money and open a restaurant. And me a go cook, you know. Cause you know him always a big me pan say me can cook and me know me can cook. You understand? So me feel say people that love me food and so off, me can't the hotel work now work. Cause look all upon the supervisor today. Me dey on the floor at work and the man see the big old guests them, the top class guests them too, you know. And the man come over me a talk done for me and a go on with himself. You know want hear the man?
Girl, now tell me say Mr. Brown you talk
Then I could have hold him
I want
shine
to
hit.
look a crosses man that because said we saying deal with me, you know, like some me and Pitney.
Me I tell a girl, everybody knows say me I want calm girl. And I tell her any day me left at the hotel, then me I see that man there say head shine me I put my feet me hand night.
Me not like him.
Because that's so unprofessional. You're supposed to call me one side and say, alright, tomorrow, XYZ, me don't like that. You know come, me don't like it. And me don't like people shout off at me because me don't shout off at people.
Outside. But anyway.
I want access to you know. Come on for that supervisor scale now. Want me to Tevan? Nah, I'm married you. Girl, listen to me. Me and your friend. We grew up together, basic school together, primary school, high school.
All high school.
All high school. And now, work. I feel say me and you married one time.
Girl.
I feel say me and you cut the cake. So, I'm not married. You know, she said me get engaged now. Me and supposed to married one time, girl. Cut the cake together. Remember, say me do everything together, you know. So me no feel good, say. Me a married and you not married. Me no feel good.
If you tell you the truth, and me I put him off. Yeah.
So why you do that?
Let me tell you, the truth is, he don't have no job. He not work right now. Why since we go get up and married and him not work, every bill's left for me one. For the truth, me could have married before all you know. I don't know a bad mind thing or nothing, you know. But him a push a ring towards me and I just say no. Like more better fit too because remember say a rent house we live in and our own house. We can't marry and live in a rent house. We can't marry and me wanna work. Everything go left for me when I know say wedding cost and you know say me knowing me a big wedding me want me no want no look nothing.
But Damara, the thing about it, you know have to turn them. Remember, you know, me and Mario build work and build together, you know. So you and him can do the same thing. Even if you don't have the money now, you sacrifice something small now. When you don't have the money right away, you do other service.
Me don't feel comfortable doing that. I don't feel
But that's what I wanna do because I don't really see I marry me want I love. Me love a person.
But me love who tell us I'm not love him? Me love Steve.
Me never say no love him, you know, but the way how you talk like say I just the marriage, you want to have money.
Me not only want have money, me want have things. Me want say we go to in our own house, we own a car.
I understand
You
that, but
understand? Him
all
a
of those.
work. As me tell a girl enough time he put it to me, if we get married and so forth. Alright, look into this. Look into this, you know. Remember say a rent house with you know. Me no want married and then a rent house. What if me get pregnant? Pitney plus rent. Look into that.
So when me ask you a question now, you nah try find a work.
Yes, he was sending the application, but me no know then and call him or nothing like.
You need to go out there, look for Mario. You know, see, I know how tell him I work. He must have some kind of skill.
He have skill.
Even Mario, me can talk to Mario and Mario teach him 1 and 2 ropes so if I want to string up one horse or whatever, anything at all.
Listen. You talk about marriage, then you talk about work. Stick to the question you asked me a while ago.
Alright, then.
You understand? You left from one topic jump. You can jump topic so.
Just leave it alone then. You say you don't want to get married and that's it. Me just did want, I don't know, me just did want me and my best friend have a wedding at the same time.
You depend on one topic, then I go to the next
Me
topic,
just did
man.
want it when we have a wedding at the
Listen.
same
Look
time.
upon me. Me look good, though. Girl, me can get married anytime I want to get married. And I know bad mind thing. You understand? Me just not ready yet. And nobody can force me to do what me no want to do. And me tell us that me could have even get married before you. And I say me want to feel now way, me know you feel now way. I become me your friend. You understand?
Alright, enough. Cause me no want we are again, so just make it stay.
Come on.
I'm so sorry. I'm tired yet. Me the deaf yet.
Yeah.
Sure.
Later, girl, me I walk
Yeah.
you so.
I want the dog them bite when I walk to people them here. See.
Later.
I might back.
Tivan!
Yeah?
Come here. I'm tired.
How happened? Make you call on me name, sir?
Tivan. Me serious with the marriage thing, you know. And you need to get married to me like ASAP. Everybody ring and me not have ring. I want to me. Me I want me a papa. Three grand on my face. I want me to look good. Oh, me and your type again. I see the procedure. I see the procedure.
So, you come back with that again?
What you mean if me come back with it again? Everybody can show off with ring in my face and so me no ring. Eh? Me for that type of people say me no want married. Eh?
Mama, listen. Why you come back with the same thing again? What happened this time now? Where you go? Where you do? What happened when you go out there?
What for happen when me go out there? What for happen? What for happen? Don't ramp with me now. Me want married. And that me say.
Me don't show you prayer already and me don't show you what take place. It's like you don't understand.
Tiv. Don't make me head get crap up in idea. Me tell you say, if I even one witness we want, just one, you can go store go buy one ring. Eh? Don't play with me no, no ramp with me. Okay, you know, send me a chip. You understand?
Tamara, just relax, no man.
Tamara, relax. Tamara, this. Tamara, that. Tamara,
I don't like
Tamara,
how you behave when
what
you
you
come
want?
here, man.
Tamara, you're not even say Tamara. For first, me come to you and tell us something when me really and truly want. And you can look at me and give me what I want. Really, Tiv?
Yes.
Like, me just sick and tired of this. Every time, if you say you want something right now, me kill off myself for gear. And one something I want, me can't get it.
So, I come here for vent? Mama, me tell us that it's not about marriage. Marriage not really go nowhere, you know? Not really go anywhere at this point.
You know what? I'm not going to sit down here say, you know, and have you account tell me where you want from where you don't want, you know. Alright then, fine. I'll never know you say tell until you cut off, you know. So you see, if you don't want to do it, somebody else will.
Somebody else will do what?
Worry yourself.
So, this is a woman that come and say she a drink mad post piece or it's either she burn her clip before she come here. How really I go?
Later, babes.
Alright, baby. Have a good day.
But you lack. Come go sit down so we have and talk. We not really have no drink.
No, man. This is so hard, man.
Lord Jesus, my body too so big. This is it too so. Oh man, this is it too little. My bottom big.
Yeah, go on like for your bottom brother than for everybody. What you say you want to talk to me about today in the lunchroom?
Oh yeah. I have this for my man visit here from when I never want to say it, like, I don't really know how to say it, but I'm going to say it anyways. Because these things, people will look on you and say, a bad man, but I'm a bad man. It's just that I care for you and more you're going the right path. You get what I say?
Yeah, girl. You don't know so you can't say anything to me. I'm a friend for a long time now. I know so you care about me. So, just say it.
My face and Maria hide something from you.
What do you mean by girl? Where you come? Oh, how that come up now?
Because no man no propose to the woman a yard and then doorway as that. Girl, I first time somebody are engaged there, right?
Yeah.
Me feel like him shoulda me feel like him shoulda carry out a public place where whole heap of people there and propose to you make other people see it. Because him proposing to you at your yard, that means I might hide something. Because me have one friend of friend, you know. And I see him way fear man they propose to her yard. And then all of a sudden the boy have 3 baby mother. Yeah, 3 baby mother and he never want none of them know say I get married. So me feel like Maria hide something. He should have proposed to her yard. That's a big red flag.
So you really feel say Mario would do me that?
Girl, as me say, that's a big red flag. You hear? If me feel some Mario that do that, I hit Maria do. Girl, as me say, that's a big red flag. You know from when me want say it to you, but because me never want you feel uncomfortable, me never want you feel sad because of the happy about
say
this.
to me.
But I know me just a build up all my strength and the courage and everything for tell you. Me can't hide you, my best friend, we all grew up from a little bit, so me have to tell you.
Me not think to Mario with that.
You not think so? Girl, you try believe what me I say to you. You hear? I love you, and me no want nobody hurt you. That's why me I tell you this. Alright, since you not believe me, right? So when I go home, ask him why he proposed to your yard. And look on his face, watch him body language too. Yeah? And we see everything.
Well, me can go home. You're right now stop from your brain.
Me, I don't stir up my brain, and your man stir up my brain. Can't even hide things from you. And me no want you get what you don't get. So, you better listen to me and say to you. Take your time going home.
Me call you here.
Yeah, man.
I'm going
later.
to ask you because this kind of now mess up me. Later.
Walk careful, friend.
So you not go home?
Alright, over there, so I live my love. Later.
Alright, girl, call me.
Yeah, me call you.
Mm-hmm. B. Mario. Then I went there so late.
Pizza. Babe. Just buy this first. Be on to you. Something happened at work.
Mario. I love pizza and all of that, you know, but
Me know I say I love pizza, that's why I buy.
I want to ask you one question. Why you propose to me? I do it right here, so I'm not in public.
Babe, hold on. Babe, remember say the last time, before me even propose to you right I do you. The last time I tell me say, we can do it anyway. I must prank you, prank me. Give me a hug.
Mario, me serious. Me not run no joke. Me not prank you, me not nothing. Me ask you a question. Listen me. A real man, me not gonna say a real man, cause that kind of sound shady. Anyway, normally when somebody I propose to them, love of their life or their future wife or whatever they want to call the person when they're supposed to, then carry them in a public, big space, somewhere nice, dinner, anything. But you choose to do it I do away, so that kind of puzzle me and say, yeah, hide something. Because why you propose at home when you could have easily carry me out for a dinner date and do it? It's like you hide me or you hide something for me. So, when me really need you to do, I tell me where you hide from me. Me deserve to know what you're hiding.
B, what could I really hide from you, B? You never hear about private wedding.
So, that simply means say, our wedding would have be private.
Yeah, B, you know that we agree to.
Yeah, we agree to that. Yes, you know. But me then know say you da use it and I try work a brain for me and I hide something for me. Me not expect that from you.
B, what could I really hide from you? Where you make her get clear? Where you make her go in your brain box? I tell her thing.
Listen to me, nobody not tell me nothing. Me just sit down while me there work today, me there on lunch, me just sit down and certain things just flash across my mind and
B, I just feel like say I prank me, you know. Well, come here, go and go eat pizza now.
me no want no pizza right now. All I want to know is the truth. What you hiding from me?
So B,
Me not interested in no pizza right now.
So what me I go do with it? No one can eat off, you know.
Listen to me, you see, when you tell me where you hide from me, then me and you will see if we can work out it, and then we will eat pizza. Not, all I need to do is just tell me where you hide. What you hiding, Mario?
B, me not hide nothing from you.
Mario, what you hiding? You hide something from me.
Why you short part for me? Suppose me fi short back off for you.
So,
You know.
so why you behave so? Me just simple ask you a question, so now confirm say you hide something from me then. Where you hide from me?
B, what me fi hide for you? Me not hide nothing from you.
Me look stupid to you? If you never hide nothing, you'd have more calm, you'd have sit down and talk to me better. More than you shout and you go on with us say, what you hiding? I'm not ask you again.
What me fi hide, B?
You
Tell me.
hide something.
You tell me, what me fi
Then
hide?
if you not hide something, why you proposing a yard? Why you could bring me on dinner or on the beach side or somewhere?
B, now you say we can do it anyway.
So anything me say goes. If me say jump over a moon, you go jump over a moon?
And if you say jump, me I go ask so high.
Come on, me come now. Remember me take long. Girl, you know, say even though I out, me have to cook in dinner. Girl, me a come. Remember, you know, we a go. Me don't know how long me a go take. So when you come in and I know fit how you go. Me a come, man. Sure. Oh man. Girl, how you find this a back of the place? You ever find some place so we go?
Girl, come on.
You're
You're not enjoy yourself.
Yeah,
Alright,
take some things
exactly.
off of mine. But look here, you know what I'm saying? I kind of feel, say, Mario had something from me for you. After you talk to me, other ill even done this song. You know what I'm saying? Me say me not ask him, because me say a fool in short, right?
Yeah.
But when me go home, my mind say, even if I not true, just ask him. When me ask him, you know what, yo, the boy a go on. Me have to say no, sir, hold on. Then he might hide something for you. Because there's no way me ask you a simple question. I go on, so real up and I go. You know what, hear the boy. And
Can't
that's
believe
right
this.
now, me believe him. I 100% believe you say I hide something for me. Because
Something
there's...
never tell you.
Listen me now, Tamara, you tell me now, but girl, a part of me believe it and then a part of me no want believe it because me love Mario.
Whitney, me can't believe say after all what me tell you, you never believe me? After me tell her say me have one friend of foreign where baby father proposed to her in a closed door and then the man end up have 3 woman out the door, 3 baby mother, and you never believe me?
Listen me, as me say Tamara, me believe you, but at the same time me don't believe you.
Rough.
How far me and Mario come from, you know?
And a far me and you are come from enough from we are pitney.
Me understand that, but Mario and me man. Girl, I should even know me feel about the whole situation.
Alright. Girl, look here. Me know how to make Mario talk where my hide from you. Know yourself. Me know how to make, me know if you go around him or whatever and make it, you know?
Me no want to hear that more you tell me how, because me want to know, me need to know now.
Alright then, girl. Let me tell you. You know what you have to do? Stop cook for him, stop wash for him, stop do all the little nice things you used to do for him, stop all of that. And trust me, he ain't gonna come around and tell us and breed somebody a road.
So,
Yeah, because he go say, I wonder if she know. Like he go sit down and think about it and say, alright, baby, you know say I do this. He go come on and tell her because he go see you tap the certain things.
but what if you're wrong?
Me no wrong. Me never wrong.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Because
Yeah, girl, me know say your feelings for him. But one at a time, when he nah tell her nothing, you just take up a ring and toss your bush. Yeah.
but he could work hard for buy so and
Work hard and lie. Which one of them? Work hard and not hide things for you. Which one of them better? Ain't supposed to make you know everything. Work hard, not have nothing to do with it.
but the fun thing about it, me wouldn't know until you say it to me.
Girl, me I come from far now. As me say, top cook film, top clean film, and dash your ring as well. And me done chat. Come on. Come on.
Why this?
God. Thing of the wide. Man, thing stressing, you know, man. Come on, call me. Yo, Andrew. I don't leave work so early. Yeah, man, I feel tired, you know, Andrew. That's why I leave work so early. Can't talk, you know, Andrew. Later, I call you back, Carson. Thank you for your dinner, babes.
Thank you for your dinner. You got listen to me, you're gonna need to tell me where you hide from me now. Cause you see that dinner you get this evening, I lost dinner that. You hear? So take it as me tell you, no more dinner now cook for you and no more clothes now washing for you. So you need to tell me where you hide from me.
So, babes, what make you a pest me, so? You know me not hide nothing from you. You just a pest me, so every day you get up and you say thing over and over.
Pest.
You know me not do nothing. Just come off for that, no be.
Come off for what? Me not come off. You need to tell me where you hide from me.
You know me not hide nothing from you.
No, me don't know that because me ask you one simple question and you start going with the back. You say, so obviously you hide something from me. You need to
So what me feel hide from you?
listen to me. Me don't say what me say, you know. You see, if you not tell me where you hide from me don't cook, me not clean, me not nothing. All thing me I do go work and come back. Me never see you. You understand? Until you tell me where you...
Before me say anything, how was the girls out?
It is alright.
Okay. cheer by yourself, no man. You just dead. So, anyways, what I say to you is, remember when you knock me about that marriage thing and all of them something there. From what day me see you clean on your place and you cook and them something, and first me see you how it works. You understand?
But me always clean and wash
Yeah,
and
you
stuff.
always clean, but now you take it to another level. You understand? Take care of me and I see you see my shirt. Matter of fact, how you find the shirt from? Shirt are nice, you know.
Hello, you know send me a buy clothes, me buy
Yeah.
good clothes for you.
Anyways, you see three I do all of that and thing, me I look into it, you see me? Me I go propose to you and thing, you understand? But just want a little more time because I'm there right at the edge. But it a go happen. I go do it. Yeah, it's just the right at edge. I'm near to the destination.
Oh my god, I can't believe it. You serious, babe?
Of course, this
Give
is
me a next hug. Oh god.
You understand? So you see, with a girl like you need a little perfectly ring for the little perfectly finger there. You understand? It go happen.
Yeah.
Yeah, so as I say, I see you clean. Mama, my house look nice, you know?
Yeah, me say.
Just like in and you see me, you make me look good and thing and them nice shirt, yeah.
Fun.
And nice things and them something, you know? Look it.
Oh god.
Um,
I'm a friend and her man, like, see the, she and her man now live good enough. Every day they argue, every time I talk about them. And boy, they not live good. Every time they cuss and something, better than just left. Rough. Oh God.
but stick up in. Are Whitney attack?
Yeah, Whitney me attack.
Anyways, they don't really want to talk about Whitney now. Because they don't really like talk about her.
No, it's not good when I can't talk about her now.
All of a sudden, we can't talk about Whitney.
Yes, me say I can't talk about her, that means I can't talk about her. What?
Oh, anyways, as me I say, we just like her to the place, you know?
Yeah.
Clean it, cook. Hey, I thought me eat some nice food. You know? Yeah, but anyways, as me say, me the right at the limit because you push me and encourage me day by day. You understand? Anyways, I'm going to tell us me just reach a little.
Girl, why you not stop texting me phone by your problem, no man? It's me there, sir. Babe, let's go inside and make love.
Think me know some of girls there go out today. You know say some money have make you move so.
Take care out of my phone for you.
I know that.
You know what? Let me go.
Cuz.
Hello.
How go on?
No.
Boy, cuz.
Where I go?
Boy, cuz me I tell us right now, be a stress youth. From a propose to my woman, cuz. Like my name did for do it. Right now I feel like I would do something to myself.
Wait, listen to me. Don't follow the foolishness. Don't do not to yourself. Now come up there right now. Hey, I'm not gonna. Hey,
How are you there, cuz?
me I come now. No action over there. Me them close by. Me I come.
Cuz, just hurry up and forward, cuz I don't like what I go on. Hurry.
Me I come now.
Alright, me I
You
wait for you.
see the truth in every glass promise that you break. Would I give the world just to hear you say you need me there? I'm so damn rare, but you don't even care. You don't even
I will have this gate open. Cause
How do you cuz?
where you see us stress here now?
Be a thing I go on in my life right now, cuz. You remember my woman and me there with? When you see me what do? I know you see him, man.
Hold on there. How we are still as woman? I know Whitney attack.
She said one cause.
She said one. Whereas I call beers, baby, my wife, me this, me that. So I got a stress up. A matter of fact too. She there?
No, she not there.
Oh.
Alright, as if I'm a propose to her, I be accused, she accuse me. Say me I hide something from her. All of a sudden, cause you know where she get that from a chat about. We supposed to propose a big dinner, big place. And as she said once, so we could have married her and proposed anyway. I'm do it right and I do away. And now she have problem. She just had nag me so. I talk about me and hide something. I mean, no, me not hide nothing cause she know me love her. So as a result, a big argument in our house over foolish. I can't imagine that cause.
Yeah, I can imagine that. One thing I have to tell her cause that sound like a friend in a Whitney head. Because me a woman, so me know them something there. Imagine. She tell her say she don't really want nothing big, right?
Yeah.
And she want to propose right or so. And now all of a sudden she come with different things. No must want a friend a program me head, man. I talk about cause you sit down and start stress out yourself.
Must have that. For real cause. I know something about all of that cause. I still can't say that. It just stress me.
Cause you go make this mad. Little bit from this, me no want to see up on the road like you don't have no head space. And you just look out of Wonderland so and I look so. You understand? Me no want to see up on the road none at all. Look the type of way the car. You see me I put number on my head to stress me out.
No cause. You know you not put up on your head. But you don't understand. I love you girl.
Cause listen to me. Somebody in that girl head. If I know she mother or she friend. Cause to how your boss say, how she happy and everything. Oh, this time all of a sudden, huh? You're not thinking, you're not think. And you tell me something I understand. Eh? Me don't have a relationship right now with one man. You see a man there, you see a black man up there. And sometimes I wonder if I'm alone. I push out me all that man there. Because I don't see what him do, you know. And you see me, I make it stress me. I come to you, I tell you something here. No. I will have firm meditation because I just go on normal and say, you know what? It is what it is. So, because you know, say I go feel one way because you love her, but you don't have to like you want in your life because, eh?
Cause still and still, and everybody can manage this situation, you know. If you understand, you know, cause it's rough. If you know, say you love somebody, and they must start move away. All of a sudden, the puzzling cause. I tell you God truth.
Cause what me I say, me a woman, me know how them thing run. A friend in a woman head, me I tell her, friend in she head. But cause of one thing me can't tell her. You see, love will mess you up.
Cause,
Yeah.
I just say I try this moment.
Me? This who?
Night,
man.
man.
So cause, for me I tell her something. I advise you. You can tell me about me this a woman. Which part of it this a woman a while ago? Eh? You know what? Everything good. Anything I want to do, you do. No, listen, anything I want to do, you do. You feel like you can't stand but me this a woman. What me this a woman with? Eh? Me come here and say a woman big and fat and swaggy. Me come here and call a woman big and swaggy. Eh? So me this a woman.
But cause I just said something about me, man.
What me say about your woman? What me say? Answer by me in your dirty classes.
Cause just leave me please. Cause come like a mess you come to mess up my woman relationship. Me never call her for that thing come on me and talk about my woman.
So run me hard now.
Cuz just
Cause run me. Eh? For me come here and I try help you. I really want to. It's alright.
cuz just hurry up, lift up now, brother.
It's alright. Now left your place. You must call me. Yeah, me say you must call me back.
I'm going to go cuz. And lock
Rubbish.
so.
That's what you get. Now lock you back, go lock you up.
Yeah, it's a family road.
Boy, Whitney, you not look good. This is not you. All on there, I them baggy. This not look good. Stress at work and stress at yard. That not look good. But me, if you tell you the truth, I can't follow you go no further because I don't know what wrong with Mario. Because it look like something wrong with him brain or something or about to hurt you or whatever. I can't go up there and then next thing something will happen to me. Think about leaving that man before you lose your life. That's all I can say to you because this not look good. This gone out of hand. Way out of hand. This will get out of hand like. For the fact that I say dash your ring and with your work today, that really means everything really gone out of proportion. I'm really sorry. But I don't know. You have to go left him. You have to let him go even though you love him. Come up here. Oh God. Oh God, it feels good.
I don't know what to say to you, bro.
Girl, stop stress out yourself. And mind your pressure go up. This no good for you like none at all. You need to stop this. Pack up your things and run.
Tomorrow, I'm not worried about pressure right now. I'm worried about Mario. Mario never stays. What?
You worry about Mario? You know, say I abuse you. You know, say everything gone wrong in the abuse. In fact, we're even saying ring up your hand or something. I'm not telling no lie now. One time I did a text and I call me. You see, true, we did a drink, me did high. So me all fast asleep. As quick as me go in, me fast asleep. I hear me hear phone vibrate and then me get up and start reply to your text message them. And when me see a text message come in say, "Hey boy, ring up your hand." Girl, me not tell no lie, me start ball. When I tell me not see me barely a reply, me couldn't reply to you because all my eye then full of water. Like then dazzle, me can't say no. On the phone screen Whitney. Honest to God. Whitney, listen to me I say right now. A time for you go in. But if nothing happen, make sure you call the police and call me too. You hear?
Yeah, man.
Alright, be safe. Me, go on.
Yeah. Tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow. Oh God, what you?
We know we've seen this all before. Just head for brighter shores. Here right now. Could be something so much more than wasted times. Here right now, like jet planes floating through night.
Whitney! How can I style a telephone, Whitney? And then what hours are you coming for work? Are you me a chat to you know? Watch out. Your style me, you know. You never used to do them or something, you know. Whitney, you know, say style man, do. How are you? Look like you're trained for and get this work, you know.
Move out of my face.
How will you tell if you move on to your face?
Put on my face before me call the police
You
man.
don't call him.
So what happen now? What happen? Me pass you, me not say nothing to you, couldn't not say nothing to me. You know what to say me not in you. Until you can't tell me where you hide me not in you. So please, me I beg you, me I ask you kindly, move out of my face and leave me alone.
Yo, Whitney, a style man, man. You know that, you know, Whitney.
You know say you style me. Please move and leave me alone, Mario. Me not trouble you, Mario. Just leave me alone.
Whitney, you know, say joke style is more, Whitney.
You look like me joke with you.
You know, say come like me have to go leave your place, come now and deal, you know, Whitney.
So you know, go on. Me tell us me I call police for you, you know. Me tell us me I call police for you. So go on.
In the middle of this ghost town, is this the end where everything goes down? Are we gonna push through to find out? Working through all these issues, hell of a year, all the things we've been through. Are we gonna stick around to find out? We know we've seen this all before, just head for brighter shores. Here right now, we could be something so much more than wasted times. Here right now, oh, like jet planes floating through night skies, we are.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, girl. Call lang me a call you not answer your phone. Me I tell you say me dey down the road. Okay, me dey down the road a forward. So me just want to know say you dey warm. Okay, girl, me all tired. When me say me tired like a dog, you know, man. Me tired, you know, but you say you don't feel good or something. You tell me last night, so me say me have to stop by. Alright, me I come. Whitney!
Yeah.
Whitney, oi!
Oi!
Hello, me I come through. The dog now over there.
No, girl, just open the gate and come.
Copy a dog there about this a place, you know. Where you there?
Come straight around now.
Alright.
Back in the hat. Okay.
Me there. Girl, what do you eye?
No. Not touching.
Whitney, what wrong with your eye? What make your eye look so?
Why still I tell you the truth? I see a little altercation when I tell us I have with Mario. A big fight we have fun. Every day a fight.
Be a fight and a fight. Like seriously, Whitney?
That's the reason why I called you so late last night, you know.
Why come like me don't know what they going in this place with fight. And you know so stick up in. As I talk about fight. You remember Mr. Brown, the supervisor in the dining room?
And him stick to me tomorrow.
You know say him and Trish catch up, big catch up, and me tell you say Trish chuck off on table after him. But anyways, enough of them. Are you me a talk about now? So how much days sick leave you take?
Why? I don't know yet, you know. Probably take 1 week. 1 whole week because I'm not got a doctor yet. So me I got doctor a little bit off of this and then me take the sick leave. But me call in sick.
Well, the good thing I call him sick, but differently, girl. How all of a sudden you Mario a fight? And me no know of Mario as this type of person. You and him did so loving. You dey at work and him call you. Sometimes you have to tell him say when you take a break you will call him back. Him all a meet you at gate. Walk with you, go take taxi with your bag and all of them something there. So when it come to this,
Still a truth. Me no know.
no, something not right. Something not right, Whitney. When me tell you say me and the girl in my dining room, you know, I always feel jealous how the boy I call you and I check up on you, you eat baby. Them the little, you know, the little gesture, the little romance. No man, something not right. Something not right. Right now, Whitney, right now we stink over hotel. When me say stink, the whole department, all people in a different department know about it.
So how for me business reach a hotel? Only person know about this are you and Tamara and Mario himself. So I don't understand how it will reach my workplace.
Well, Whitney, me sure about myself, you know. Me can't talk for myself, say I know me. You understand? And me sure about Tamara. Because you and Tamara come from so far, me not think she do that. Remember say on the day they maybe I'll cuss loud, you know, so people in the community you don't know who work, which part we work, will live near you. So me don't know.
So that's right now, I'm stressed. I don't know what to do. I'm stressed. I know it's just more on me.
So what you plan to do? Cause let me tell you something. Me want say something to you. I mean, no want you look for me now, we and cuss me and run me out of your yard. You
I
understand?
don't do that, man.
But it's only my opinion. You get what me say? You feel say have one next woman? Because Whitney, only when one man have one next woman, a fishy round, you see him go on so with woman in yard. So talk to me.
Boy, I don't know, you know, but I can see some Mario have something to hide for me, girl. And I don't know what. And it seems like she don't want to tell me or you don't know how to tell me. For him, we have showing me say I do something. After we are argue.
Girl, this looks strange. Something right. You understand what I say? He have something to hide, Whitney. But guess what? Me not gonna be the one forgetting it. You and him have to work out, no problem. Differently still, you need for God doctor go check out the ID. And me the hug you and me see the ball for round and so he, so you not fight back your boy?
You mean if me fight back, boy? You see, Mario Maga, I first man, me see strong, so. When you see Mario throw me over bed, and I say, no man, and you never used to do that something there. You're not there with it, you know me at all. Mario strong now. You don't know where you get strength from.
So girl, tell me, where you really feel say go on in your relationship?
But you know, some feel say the same thing. Feel say a woman in have for true. You just feel say a woman in have.
So girl, make we break it down. Like, make we lay out everything on the table and get down to the nitty gritty. You see nothing in your phone, make you feel say a woman in have or not like that.
Well, no, you know.
So you don't see nothing in your phone and you don't see my move no suspicious way like mean like come home late. You know the little
No, he always come home on time. He's a man who love him food, no, so ever the on time to get him dinner, so off and make sure me alright. Me not see nothing but
then how you feel accuse the man say man have woman. Whitney, how you feel do that? How you feel accuse the man? No, talk to me man, talk to me. Cause me not understand what you try to say to me.
Celeste, listen to me. The other day me and Tamara sit down and she show me one little pray. Remember, you know, she make me know say when a man propose to the woman at the yard, they have somebody around where they don't want to see or something a go on. Normally, man that out the woman go post to them public space make everybody know say yeah, female woman that. So through him propose to me a year there some and Tamara say something about him, sit down and me I really look into it and me I say then we have a road you know want to say me and him there or whatever. And me ask him one question and fan me ask the man the question. Everything gone.
So, girl, sometimes I wonder if I'm a fool. You, sit down and talk back over where you talk again. Think about what you said a while ago. No, slowly. Come. No, talk to me, no, man.
Me not just explain everything to you.
Girl, you're blind.
Well,
Eh? You're dumb or something. You're alright in your headspace. You really make people mash up your life, girl. No. Me can't believe. I really when Tamara said to you, you come home and they talk to the man about and
listen to me now. She all tell me how she want a friend, you know. When man proposed to her yard, you know. And when she got road, she find out say a 3 baby mother the man have, you know. Me never did go say nothing to him, you know. But me come and me and say, let me just taste the water. And so when me say to the man, and that's when me see the man start move away. Everything gone down the hill.
you know say earlier you asked me who could I carry a business go work. And me did unsure, you know, because I know no me. And me did think on Tamara. You understand? But I see right now, me have to think twice. Because what you just tell me, me think say Tamara they do it. Me feel say she they use her brain and try to mash up your life. You understand what I say? Look, let's watch her. Let me see your finger. Where your ring? You see there? Yeah, dash for the ring. What the ring? Eh? And come to think of it, you know, say girl they are work her brag and a boss so she soon get married.
No, sir. Tamara said she don't want to get married. She not married to the man. She don't want married to the man.
Yeah, you just sound delusional. Me I tell her something, yeah. No, sir. Me say girl they are work her brag and a boss. So she a get married to the man. It's the same man what she there with. The girl all a plan wedding, mama. When me say plan, I get all wedding planner for wedding and sitting. So how she get married and she not tell you? And you and her are best friend, the two one who used to cross pedestrian crossing together, play hopscotch and all these things. No, sir.
No, man. Me not think Tamara. Tamara not plan not a wedding. I like Tamara tell you. Me and Tamara walk come from work every day. Tamara no want marry the man. Tamara tell me how the man proposed to him much time and he turned on the man. Tamara not married.
Girl, shut up. Shut up.
Celeste, I mean I tell you now my best friend, you know.
Alright, you know what? I'm your best friend. And me I tell you something. When me hear out of my own ears and see with my own eye. When she are sure the wedding planning and everything. And you tell me say Tamara not do that?
Maybe she just a run one little prank pound or something. I must look a joke, man.
A joke. Boy, you're delusional bad.
Celeste, you come to criticize me or you come to talk to me?
You know what? You look like me a chat too much. I'm in a liar. So you know what me I gonna do? Me I gonna leave your place. You understand? Cause I don't want me you have nothing. Say Tamara. So you have a wonderful day. You're good differently do. Eh? You eat for a morning?
Then the most.
Alright, later. Nice.
Tamara plan with me. You get Tamara off the woman.
Sir. Well, I know my next phone day. Cause me really have to go record this situation, you know, because this sticky. I go and call the Tamara she. And me go show Whitney say, and no lie me a tell. I no prank. Hello?
Wagwan Celeste.
Me there, my girl, you good?
Yeah, man, me good. What you deal with?
You know, so me there do when me left work early today, you know.
Eh, see, no sister, and the girl did a fight today.
Yeah, Mr. Brown and the girl a fight, yes. But I not really that me call you fast still, you know. I call you to ask about the wedding. When you are married and then look away, them want know about the wedding, cause me anxious.
Girl, with the and man and everything, and he did set everything. Me give you invitation soon.
Oh, come me that one day if you not invite me for me come eat cake and you know, the little festivity there.
Yeah, man.
So hold on there, you not tell Whitney too.
Girl, of course me I go tell Whitney.
But me think of the she first said I go tell na your bestie, na your bench and batty, uno be.
Yeah, Whitney I'm a bench and batty, but you see true man, the man I go through heap of problem and fighting. Me just say me I will have me go tell her as a surprise.
Yeah. Alright then, I just that me did want to know about, you know, come want to know if you not invite we fi come eat cake and happy for you and then look away the but
Of course.
anyways I dey hurry, so in a later.
Alright, mama, later. Have a wonderful day.
Alright.
Celeste, I just left ya. Didn't think you want to make any talkie.
Girl.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on. You hear me? I tell you? Here, Wagwan. Me just send something for your phone, right?
Mm-hmm.
I want you to listen. And so now listen keenly and wise up. You hear me? I tell you? Alright, me don't talk. Yeah, man.
So hold on there, you not tell Whitney too.
Girl, of course me I go tell Whitney.
But me think of the she first said I go tell na your bestie, na your bench and batty, uno be.
Yeah, Whitney, I'm a bench and batty, but you see true man, the man I go through heap of problem and fighting. I just say, me I will have to go tell her as a surprise.
Yeah. Alright then, I just that me did want to know about, you know, come want to know if you not invite we fi come eat cake and happy for you and then look away the but
Of course.
anyways I dey hurry.
Seriously? No, sir. No, sir. Celeste,
Yeah.
me hear what you're saying and me see what you're saying me, but not say nothing, you see me? Everything good, man.
But now someone unless you ready to say no girl. So me I say already I'm make that for the 200. So you fi know how to apply where you apply, you understand?
Yeah, man. Me I go a doctor, you know. So me I go a doctor and then carry sick leave over hotel. So me make you know everything go.
Hold on there, Whitney.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? Try not call me name and make nobody know say I'm mixed or nothing, you know.
Celeste, come on now. Come on. Me a big woman, you know.
Because I make you know because I know your mouth sleep.
My mouth not sleep, so no. Me not do that, man.
Alright.
Yeah, so me make you know everything go. Alright.
Wanna bathe myself in you. Wanna break my soul in two. 'Cause I would die to give what I take. Illusions are still on my skin. They mind us ignoring and pulling me in. They mind us center of my gravity, limitless reality. I wanna be holy like you. I wanna be fully consumed.
Whitney! Whitney, baby! Come right, Whitney on there. Tell us that we love you same way, now every day just make we a cuss so. Whitney! She just accuse me saying no Whitney every day just make we a cuss so every day Whitney. How are you there? How are Whitney there? How is she gone? How am I not hear from her?
I wanna be holy like you. I wanna be fully consumed. I wanna be lost in physical with you.
So you come and not say nothing. And you not even cook nothing. You used to cook one time and you stop do it. You even wash and not wash for me again. You go on, man. Me must find out how much money I have, you know. Remember me tell her that. Me must find out.
How much you give me, man?
Yo, you change. You know that? You change. All of a sudden from engage, everything just gone down the hill. You change like green lizard. Fast. A best thing you go on from what you know Whitney. You know that do?
You alright, you know, Mario?
Me alright. Just know say everything good, you know. Me must find out one day, you know, which boy about the place, you know. And if you know, man, this must change because I can't hold you there, you know. Yo, you see right now, it come like on a yacht so me live because I don't feel comfortable. So I go back out the road, which part my friend them there, where me feel more comfortable around. You hear me I tell a girl?
a go on. You care? That's what I do. Oh, you see you left a run back with them, I go take them up.
Sometimes I'm wrong, sometimes I'm right, but I really know nothing about what you need me to say. Same every day, feelings and pain. Everyone said that I better do something. You are no good to me.
Hello?
Hello.
Tamara. Girl. What on? Well, me got a doctor, you know, me carry me sick leave. You not come look for me.
Yeah, me I call look for you, but I told me busy at work.
Girl, more you come look for me, man. Cause see that you make Celeste come look for me already before you. And me I have Noah.
No, I told me busy, man. Me tell Celeste that me I call look for you.
Girl, you should make Celeste come look for me before you. Me I have come from far. We are best of friend. You should have reached a long time.
Me sorry about that. Yeah, me have
More you come look for me tomorrow, you know, because me have something more want to say to you.
Alright. Yeah, we see me bright and early tomorrow.
Make sure you know. Me a time you come in, me mind, me know what time your shift end.
No worry yourself, me say me I come, me say me I come, me I come.
Alright then.
You finish the plate?
I work on that.
You know, see, my friend call me Whitney.
She has to go.
She said she's sick and one of our colleagues then come look for her at home. Me not come look for her yet, but me kinda give her a break because every minute she and her boyfriend a fight and so. Me never want to go over there because people always say bird of a feather flock together. So me no want the bad energy or negative energy go come for mash up for my relationship, you understand? Whereas other night you go tell me say we are gonna start plan for a wedding or something. I just not want the negative energy around me. I just stay positive, you know?
So I make money man nothing. I make them out.
Well,
It's not this.
well to me, Whitney just bad because she no want listen what man have to say. She no want cook for him man, she no want wash him man clothes and then sitting there. And him a blame him man saying have woman or something so. I just that a problem. That's why. Worse, me always tell her say she can't blame her man, you know. Because she accuse the man of having next woman and picking out there and something. And you know why I had for this thing too? The girl that show him engagement ring where man give him. Can't see a bush. Tell me what can go so. She just don't have no brain. Plus, I feel like she have a tip a bad man against me. So, that's why I stay far from her. Because I can't bother with them this something.
Well, you know, I'm gonna say something about your friend and you take me on because I have lost enough say something about your friend and them something there. You understand?
Yeah.
But differently though. You take a page out of your book, you make you cook, you clean, you wash, you do everything for me and you take care of me so you should do the same thing, you see me? And you can't just jump on and accuse somebody, say them do this and them. You see me, as I said before, I get in an affair or whatever is going on over the part there, stay over there so guys. Me and me, you and me and there so that type of free little thing. You understand what I'm saying?
You see, it's a fit wife role though. And you want to give me a ring.
Stop yeah.
Me not done pan me just say it.
We don't say yeah. We are work with things. If you see me say I have to talk about it again. You see me? But as me I say, alright, this proof to me say yo I'm there with a good man. You understand? I mean appreciate it. Yeah, really appreciate it, you know? And you know, say, come to think of it, me see the nigga down the road, like the man talk like a Batman, drink up even rum can and lick him. As in, why, me I tell us me feel the feel. When me see him, and they say, Judge, I will just look on him and shake me, doesn't me? Me never know, say, oh, what? Say, but still, me just realize, say, I'm doing that good woman, and as I said before about the relationship, which I get a long time, because you know, go fit it.
I deserve it.
Yeah.
So, back to planning. I called the wedding planner this morning and she was saying,
I'm excited, so.
Whitney!
Open the gate and come now.
Girl, your gate lock.
Watch out. Me don't know you're lucky now, must that the one that lucky.
Oh,
Family left you up here. What happened?
gee, over there, yeah.
Come on, sir. Alright, hold on then. I go for a chair on the sun come back. I know it was hot.
Alright, no
Come
problem.
there.
Hurry up. Thanks. So where you sit there, I know.
You're not even reach good yet. I asked me about I. No, me call you and tell someone to talk to you.
Alright. Wait. What happened to your eye? I see him fight when you marry a fight because I really want to know.
Tamara, what you think?
You tell us that the boy there you lose his mind from wait. Wendy.
You know there man, you know come from work yet.
I tell us that the boy there lose his mind from what day now. If you see a joke.
Speaking of Mario, I want to ask you something.
What is that?
I know you take this the wrong way, but when if you tell me say you are get married and you not tell me,
Whitney, I know what you think.
maybe man know me think.
I know what you think. Let me tell you. Is it true you marry I go through no problems and something? Me never just want to go and drop it for you, so I just did that wait off a little bit. But you know, say you have to do my wedding.
Tamara, listen to me now. The first person me tell when time Mario proposed to me was you. Moreover, you tell me say you don't ready for married. So all of that kind of now bother me. So how come as me I had the conversation the other day, all of a sudden you are get married?
And I say I'm me ready at Tivan. Because one night he must say he ready now to get married. And I say Tivan, I'm not ready yet, and he must say, oh yeah, next man out there. That's why you don't want to get married. So I say, alright then Tivan, fine. But me never want to tell you because me don't want to feel like a bad mind. That's why me did that keep it until everything blow off a little bit, me can't tell you. Come here, I wonder how as you ready to get married, Tivana pressure me to get married. So, me just never want, me sorry. Me really and truly sorry. And you are my best friend, and you are the first person me should have run to. Me should have got work and said to nobody else. Me sorry, you can forgive me?
Tamara, me forgive you, yes, no, but me just don't like the fact that you hide it from me and makes me have to hear your road. But by the way, how you know say I work me here?
Because I work at all the place me talkie. But anyways,
Listen to me.
and my business that still, so.
Yeah. But what me want to know is, my little altercation when me have in here, so over here, so with Mario, obviously you know, reach a work.
What? But me not tell nobody I work a business.
Well, me here says think of work. All different department where nothing know. All people where we wanna work with me, people me and them and no friend know.
I must prank me because me not say nothing to nobody. Unless a Mario walk around, cause other day my man tell me saying see Mario drunk a road, you know, car almost lick him down, you know.
Why everything you would want to put it on Mario? Everything you would say a Mario, like you want me play me Mario. So remember in a workplace we talk about Mario the road. Mario not have nothing to do with my workplace.
So what if Mario see one of your co-worker them and say
listen to me, all the
whatever
person Mario know are you and Celeste.
see that's all? Right, that's how you get the answer. I feel Celeste do it. Cause I know me. And me I come from too far for me do that to you.
Celeste no see Mario fan win. Mario no. Don't ask me how me know. Don't ask me how me know that. Just know say me know. Me not and say me I blame me or anything, you know. Just know say me know. And don't ask me how me know.
Okay, I see the procedure. Speak your mind. Tell me what the your mind because obviously something the your mind. Like you want to come blame me for your problem them. Talk. Let me know what I want. Talk. What the your mind? Talk. Talk now.
Tamara, listen to me. You don't need fear flare up on a go on so. Me make couple phone calls. And every call me make, they have to say, are you. I come down my workplace and I talk things.
Listen to me. I don't say nothing to nobody. I want them go down at PS3 and one lady ask me for you. And I tell her, say, you know, come back and work for now because you go through some things. I never tell her your business.
I know you. I know Mario. I know Celeste. Why I don't know.
Girl, bush of ears. Because when time you marry over you mash down the place and something, people on the road can pass and hear to you.
And how you would have reached in a food department?
I don't know, but I know me. So when you ask Celeste?
Girl, I not feel see her Celeste.
Oh!
I not feel see her.
Okay, so me. And me I go road and talk your problems them. I see a procedure. A bad man, true me I get married and you have problem in your relationship, you look a witch. That's why you're your man in a problem. Tamara, don't call me name in your mouth. Don't call me name because me and your friend and then you want to come put other people over me. Girl, I will tell her, don't ramp with me here. Process.
No, sir. What really just happened?
Wanna bathe myself in you. Wanna break my soul in two. 'Cause I would die to give what I take. Illusions
I want to do that the one day. Ooh. Ooh.
Mario. Mario. May I ask you one question? You feel say I accuse me, I accuse you? Mario. You know, give me a talk to you. Mario. 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 Come, give me this. Give me this. Give me this. Come, go and go lie down. Come on. Come, go and go lie down. Go on.
I'm so warm, feeling me up. Cause right now I'm pop, you know.
Come, lie down, lie down. You want some feet?
So you know say a top cook give me.
Stop a foolishness to me. You want? You want some feet?
You serious?
Me I look out something to eat here. Just lie down, me so come.
I can't remember do this. Boy, I tell him I love rum, you see.
Mario, come here. Come on, Tasso.
Hold me there. Man, let me dropping out with me.
Come here, never send a drink. See what Tasso? Come, drink this.
But Whitney, I don't poison, I try poison my Whitney.
Mario, stop up your foolish now. It's good for you, drink this.
After me no full taste some first time drink, but time no junk.
We haven't buy taste some first. You really feel someone that try to do something?
Come like a dream, me a dream right now. This look too. Come like a dream, me a dream. This don't look good. Taste some first.
Satisfied now?
No satisfy for wait look. Anything where you put in and I go work immediately. Time drunk but me know me no fool. Wait look.
And they so really rich. If you say more poison you.
Alright, give me it now. If anything I two we are go done.
And take time and mind to burn up yourself.
Alright.
Who's spot me that she ring again?
But wait, why am I looking for down this stuff? You really look for.
Jesus.
Me not top drink rum. I love rum, I love rum, I love rum going to bed.
Like this, a girl and I know me, you know. Tivan! Tivan! Look like him not come yet.
Wagwan girl.
Celeste,
Yes, wagwan.
what you walk on me for? Are you hypocrite?
Girl, hypocrite to do what?
Okay, my name go Whitney Yard. Go tell Whitney say me I carry business, come and work, and I tell people.
Girl. Me.
No, me. Of course you. Then I could have who?
Girl. No.
What you mean?
Girl, I just really call my phone for.
Of course. After me not tell nobody, I want somebody me detail. And you gonna care back.
You see? You just say you not tell nobody, then you say I want somebody you tell. Eh?
Yes, so mother life you know why you came in name gonna Whitney Yard. That she gonna catch bad mind. Eh? True me they get married. And she not get married.
Girl, me not tell Whitney no. So not call mix me.
Then I who tell Whitney. Cause me not see who else would I got Whitney I go tell Whitney. And you and Whitney are friend and me and Whitney are friends. So you are all the person me know. Would I go tell her that?
So me ask you something.
Mm.
Whitney tell you say me tell her so.
Yes, just a while ago me I left her yard and she tell me everything where you go yard go tell her. And she tell me.
She said me.
Yes,
Tell her
she
so.
said you. She said you sister you.
She could have never tell her that, but it's alright.
Me say you she say it to her. You come her yard and she even ask me say how you can look for her before me.
Boy, me not believe her no. Cause my friend not said that. And she could have never said that.
Well, your business if you no one believe can believe kill and believe cure. And over there me I come from and all more than know say you go look for her before me.
Girl, stop mix up my name, yeah.
And you finna mix up my name, mama. And you see anytime I see you on road, me go slap you in your face. And that me I tell you.
I must promise me that you can't do that.
Watch and see, girl. Watch and see.
One of
You think me afraid of you?
you waste of time.
And you a waste of time. Come on from my phone. This big fat cow hang up on me. You bright and face to wait till me buck your girl. Watch what happen to you.
Sometimes I'm wrong, sometimes I'm right, but I really know nothing about what you need me to say. Same every day, feelings and pain. Everyone said that.
Girl, I'm just face me and ramp with her. Face me and ramp with her. Wait, Whitney! I want that! A Silas!
So girl, open the gate and come in now.
Hello, me now I'm not get out of something I want to. Come here, so.
So your babe so strong for.
Girl, me now want you call up me name, me now. Me and your friend, let me tell you this. You see right now, I done the friendship you done. Me can't believe say you. Really? But me confide in Anna Pinch, I tell her, hey, let me tell her this. No call up my name. Me? And let me tell her this again. You say, no see with their work, don't chat to me. When I see me on the left, take it right. Still left me.
No, girl, no bother with you. Me tell you some love and joke too much, you know.
Me look at me and joke.
So when me call your name?
No, me look at me and laugh. Eh? Give the call up my name to your little butter ears friend. When I mean you're no good. Eh? Me? Hey girl, me say, you see if I never one thing? You see if I never one thing?
You're gone far now, you know. You're gone far now. Which part me got to friend and call your name? You say if you have nothing to do, no come on me and come bother me.
Yeah, what me I say do? See me and go like you not see me. And that me I tell you. Lick off your face to girl.
No, oh, can't do it. Can't lick off my face.
And me have strength for go have strength for your man when they beat you.
You're lucky at least my beat more you get.
Right.
In the middle of this ghost town, is this the end where everything goes down? Are we gonna push through to find out? Working through all these issues, hell of a year, all the things we've been through. Are we gonna stick around to find out? We know we've seen this all before, just head for brighter shores. Here right now, we could be something so much more than wasted times. Here right now,
It's a girl Kayla and I'm here representing for Maggy Flames. Big up Maggy Flames. One Maggy Flames.
Yo, give thanks and praise for life, health and strength. Turbulence the future, we have to endorse with Maggy Films.
Eh? What's the name in the office, Mr. Why
Yes, I'm good, sir. What's a cooler, you know, sir?
I'm not cool out here, jackass out there, so. Who the hell can name me?
I
No
know,
know.
sir, I know pay a jackass live up there, sir. You see over there, sir, if you go over there, sir, enough come over there.
Listen.
And then be a jackass up there, sir.
But that's what I'm telling you, if you take up your book, everything where you get at school, take it. You hear what I'm saying?
Don't make the dopey fool, you don't know nobody.
Shake it, baby, shake it.
You know, it's something where they were both and the person the pan and go up in her ear. Yeah. That me want go pan.
You feel something know? You couldn't feel something know, sign the segregation.
So you're making her do this? That's why I don't like you, witch. Oh, stupid. Yeah.
Jamaican bad boy, you got to walk. You got to walk like a bad boy, right?
Okay.
You got to do something like this, you know what I mean? And do your head like this. Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah. Hold on. Where am I at?
No, man, make that channel and that. Like, no, man, don't business do that, you know. God, no. You know what I mean, and that.
Don't bother feel like me forget. You have sense?
What's that?
Eh? You have
A
sense?
big man, you do that?
You have sense?
No,
So,
stop me.
say,
Boy. Boy, I think you're talking about. Boy, where are you now, boy? Where are you?
oi!
Hey, boy, where are you now?
No!
Chop up in here.
Watch episode 4. I'll enjoy. Cheese.
Yeah, man. Cause we can't have too much on the drive up on the road we can't read. What is that? Boy, what a word you? Y'all take up with time, sir. You take up with time. You know, make this easier for yourself, you know.
You're inside too long now. Hello.
I soon come out. A long time I know you.
Say all that. Say you know if them are playing a meal and carry you from Paris to Paris.
What's that? Are you?
Just peas, rich alive.
That's it. You don't see me, man.
Rich alive.
Hey boy, get up. Boy, you say get up.
I mean, get up for. Alright, no suit me, man.
Get up. The cash pot ticket then.
What is?
Eh?
I'm not telling you, no
Boy,
cash
cash pot. I boy, cash pot ticket. You think I joke me I make?
I'm not telling you, no cash pot ticket, brother.
Boy.
Mommy, and make sure you have one little account on the side when you know about.
Stefan, no money no dey on the card. Like literally no money. At all.
So you expect say money I got done every day, you use it, take off 30,000, 40,000.
I gotta work the thing about it. Come here and put a baby to and all of them something there.
You come like you play with him in the army and teach you now, Lana. You have to put pressure upon the man.
Hold on, go on like son, you know, subscribe up. Oh, for when me telling you say subscribe, it's a joking thing with that pan. Ah, my son. I train a year, but me run down, you know.
Okay, boy.
Now yourself, man. So, now, yo, you. What's on you subscribe to Maggy Films already?
No.
No? Where's the no?
No.
No, you say what? No, you say boy.
Maggy Films. Maggy.
Tibi, I don't know, say one Maggy Films me I represent for. And if you don't know, subscribe.
Yeah, man, they're not subscribers, see? Anna me, no. Anna me call nobody pound, you know. Yeah. Anna me call Chopper man, you know.
Maggy.